Hey, kindergarten! This week, as one of our special activities, we are going to be making this cute apple craft. All right, so the things that you are going to need. You are going to need glue, glue stick, tape, something sticky, scissors, okay, markers or crayons, something to draw with, and then from this packet that I gave you, you're going to need a white piece of paper, a brown little sliver of paper, red, green, yellow, and this big blue one. Okay. Now you have some flexibility with how you want to do this. If you want to make just one apple, you can. You can make two, or you can make all three. But we're going to try to make them so they all fit on this paper. All right. Step number one. Use my board here. Step number one is choosing what color apple you want to work with first. So I am going to use red. Now you'll be able to do this flat on a table, but I'm going to hang it up so you can see what I'm doing. All right, there's my red. On this paper, you're going to need to draw an apple shape. Okay, think about apples. They're kind of round. They have some little bumps on the top and bottom. Okay. If you want to put 3 apples on your blue paper, your apple should be on the smaller side. If you only want to put 1 apple on your paper, you can make a really big one. So I'm going to try to make 3. So I'm going to make mine a little bit smaller. I'm going to start here. And I'm going to draw an apple shape. Okay. When I'm done drawing it, I'm going to cut it out. Okay. All right, I'm going to pause the video while I cut out 2 more apples, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so I've cut out my 3 apples, yellow, red, and green. The next step is I'm going to put them on my blue paper. Now I'm going to use glue. You can use glue, you can use tape, you can use glue stick, whatever you want. When we use glue in kindergarten, we don't make big puddles. Put it on, and we're going to just do some a few little dots. That's all you need. So I'm going to put my red apple in the middle. I'm going to do my yellow one. Again, dot, dot, dot. Just a few dots. You don't need a lot. I'm going to put yellow apple over here. And I'm going to put the green one just a few dots over here on this side. Okay. There we go. There's my 3 apples. The next thing I'm going to do is make my stems. Apples have stems, so you have brown paper. We have 1, 2, 3 apples. So I'm going to need 3 stems. If you have 2 apples, you only need 2 stems. And you can cut your stems however you want. Maybe you want to cut it like fringe, like that. And then just cut them off. Again, you don't need a lot of glue. Okay, just a little bit. I'm going to put my stem on. There's 1. Here's 2. And here's stem number 3. All right, 3 apples, 3 stems. Now, all of these apples have cute little faces on them. So the next thing you're going to do is take your white paper and you need to cut out eyeballs. If you have 1 apple, you need 2 eyeballs. If you have 2 apples, you need 4 eyeballs. And if you have 3 apples, you need 6 eyeballs. Mrs. Jameson is going to show you a little trick. Instead of having to cut out 6 different eyeballs, I'm going to fold my paper once, like that. And then I'm going to fold it the other way, like that. So it's like a lightning bolt or a Z. And then when I cut out my eyes, I only have to make 2. If you want to draw your eyes and cut them out, that is A-okay. Whatever works for you. Okay, so there's 1 set of eyes and 2 sets of eyes. When you're cutting circles, you always want to turn your paper and not your scissors. Okay. There we go. Now, again, just a little bit of glue. An eye for this apple. Another eye. An eye for this apple. And another eye. And then we'll do our red apple. Gonna get 1 big eye. And 1 little eye. Okay, there we go. The last step is to take your markers and put some faces on. So I'm going to give this apple a smiley face. Okay, I'm going to give this apple a wiggly face. And I'm going to give this apple, maybe a straight line face. All right, you can make your faces however you want. Then I'm going to color in their eyes. Maybe you want to give your apple some eyelashes. Okay, you can do it however you want. I'm gonna pause the video while I fill in my other eyes. All right, the last step is to customize or add some little details to your apples, and you can do this however you want. So I made some little noses. Again, this is just how Mrs. Jameson's doing it. You do not have to give your apples noses if you don't want. I made some leaves. Maybe you want your apple to have a leaf coming out of their stem. Put this one on that side. Okay. Maybe you want your apples to have teeth. So I use my white paper and I cut out a tooth for him. However you want to do it is fine with me. Have fun with it. They should all look different. Okay? When you're finished with your apple, send a picture of it to me on Seesaw. I can't wait to see how great they all look. All right. I hope you like this project.